Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today we are controlling a 28BYJ-48 stepper motor using Arduino and displaying real-time movement updates on an I2C LCD. Let's get started. For this project you'll need an Arduino board, a 28BYJ-48 stepper motor with ULN 2003 driver, a 16x2 I2C LCD display, jumper wires, and a power source. Connect the ULN 2003 driver to Arduino using pins 8, 9, 10, and 11. Connect the I2C LCD to SDA and SCL pins. This code first initializes the I2C LCD and displays a startup message. The stepper motor speed is set using steppermotor.setSpeed. In the loop, the motor rotates clockwise, 20-48 steps, and the LCD shows rotating left. Then, after a short delay, it rotates counterclockwise, updating the LCD to rotating right. This process repeats continuously, creating smooth motor movement with real-time feedback. Let's see it in action. This is how you can easily control a stepper motor with an I2C LCD using Arduino. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to Digitech Dynamo, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.